In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms in Card. If you want to capture messages, signups, or custom inputs on your one-page site, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set that up in a clear, simple way. Start by heading to the Card website and opening your dashboard. This is where all your sites live. Choose the project where you want to add a form, and it will open in the Card editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button. This is how you insert new elements into your page layout. Click Add, then choose Form from the list of available elements. A default form block will appear on your canvas. Next, select the form and open its settings. You'll see a type dropdown where you can choose Contact, Sign Up, or Custom. Contact is great for standard name, email, and message flows. Sign Up is ideal for collecting subscribers. Custom gives you full control to tailor the fields however you like. Pick the option that best matches your goal. While you're in the settings, review what happens after someone submits the form. Under Actions on Completion, you can adjust what users experience when they're done. Common choices include showing a confirmation message, redirecting to a thank you page, or triggering an email or integration, depending on your plan. Make sure your thank you copy is clear and reassuring so visitors know their submission went through. Now switch to the Fields tab to edit the actual inputs. You can rename labels, adjust placeholders, set fields as required, and change their order. If you're building a custom form, add or remove fields to match exactly what you need. Just keep it concise so people aren't overwhelmed. For contact forms, at minimum, consider collecting a name and a valid email. For signups, keep the form short to improve completion rates. After that, move to the Appearance tab to fine-tune alignment, spacing, fonts, and button styles. Align the form with your page layout so it flows naturally with other sections. Adjust font sizes for readability, and make sure the button text is descriptive. Something like Send, Submit, or Join works well. Choose colors with good contrast for accessibility. When everything looks and feels right, click Done to apply your changes and return to the canvas. You've successfully added and configured a form in your Card project. Take a moment to scan the page, ensure the form fits your design, and you're all set to start collecting responses.